This is one of the few good things born out of the internet. Eclair cake.
It's layers of graham crackers, chocolate, and pastry cream na parang liquid leche flan but lighter. To make the custard, gather 10 to 12 egg yolks depending on the size. And yes, you can have the recipe. Whisk in some milk, add some sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, salt, and cook over medium heat until it becomes thick. This is an optional step, but to ensure you don't have lumps, pass the custard through a strainer. Now cover with plastic wrap, making sure it's touching the custard so it doesn't develop skin. Cool to room temp before chilling in the fridge until fully cool. Afterwards, it will look a little lumpy, but it's not something a little whisking can't fix. To make this lighter, we're gonna whip some all-purpose cream and mix it with the custard. This cake is no bake because instead of baking choux pastry from scratch, we're using graham crackers. I'm using M.Y. Son Graham's honey crackers. They're versatile, which suits, to be honest, any ref cake flavor. I do alternate layers of the graham crackers and the pastry cream. Pro tip, you can use scissors to precisely sculpt your crackers to fit your pan. After the final layer of graham crackers, make a chocolate ganache by heating up all-purpose cream and pouring it into chocolate chips or chunks. Give this a gentle stir until all the chocolate is fully melted. Now pour this on top of your cake, spread to make sure it's really pretty, then let sit in the fridge to fully set.
So pretty.
Cut into your desired size, serve cold, and enjoy.
Super smooth with a little bit of bite from that graham cracker. Sweetness on a scale of 1 to 10, about a 3, which I love.